Honey, if they had to resuscitate me and she was the only option, may I rest in peace.
Erica.
I know the Lord.
Amen. Amen.
And I'll be going on to glory.
And he heard your cry.
But I am trusting.
I'm gonna get you on the beach. I'm gonna get you on the beach. This outfit is
QC!
that outfit.
She giving QC!
You know, best hotel.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, so they all doing it live. I thought it was a joke. No, I saw it last night at Toy Story. But you know they be saying everything gonna be live. No, we went to see Toy Story. The Rock looked like one of them people. I'm talking about one of them.
Turkey and pepperoni. Oh, provolone.
And oregano. Can you put a good bit of oregano? A little bit more. And can I get all my condiments on the side? Like the oil, vinegar. I did not update y'all and let y'all know what we were doing. We are on our way to the beach. Got Erica back there. Whitney in the area or in Subway. But we are heading down to the beach just for a day trip.
I'm gonna just put all of the subs right here in your bedroom.
I got mine right here.
Okay.
Oh, you said, okay, yeah, that's fine. Well, we're heading to the beach for a day trip. We are...
Oh, my bad.
You fine. We are equipped with our books, our Kindles. We got our Subway.
Oh, and I got these chips too.
Those salt and vinegar too?
Them regular.
Regular. We got our beach towels. It's a beachy day. It's a beachy day. Beach bag packed and ready. We got our books in here. Got my journal. My journal.
Wildflowers, bro.
Oh, is that what you're reading?
Oh, this is wonderful. I can live this life every day.
Okay, everything.
Every season.
Oh, you take a picture of your friend?
In the water so blue.
Will you take our picture?
Thank you so much.
Oh, that water feels amazing, actually.
Okay, come on, y'all.
If you would do it sideways.
Got more napkins? For the golf carts?
Bananas.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, took over, baby.
Yeah.
Okay,
We can eat outside or eat in, whichever.
Oh, baby, it can we? It hot.
Yeah, we can eat sit up and
Yeah, I know a Chat GPT flyer when I see one. I know it. Huh? Yes, ma'am. How you do this? How you go back?
What's a big old burger?
Because this just said, oh, it must be forgot.
We probably forgot.
I'm sorry, I forgot. I'm so sorry.
Ariel, it helped me out so much with forgiving. Like that forgiveness, that helped me out a lot. I ain't gonna hold you.
I don't think I watched that.